Gary Ulrich's my name, born and bred in Walcha. My wife and I got a fair bit of grazing country in Walcha. We own 3 properties and we lease another 3. And we're just committed to wool growing and beef cattle. Yeah, we find it a great place to live.
Just for you to relax and enjoy the company of others.
I've had my challenges with mental health over a period of time. It's part and parcel of why I've attended today, just to hear what's to be said, and I realise a lot of people have suffered, through droughts and fires and floods and that sort of thing. And so it's just attend and see if there's anything else we can pick up or help somebody. That was the idea today.
I'm Kirsty Walker and I'm a mental health nurse with HealthWISE. Today was my first regrowth and it was just beautiful. I really find that the personal stories and hardship and trauma people go through, being able to share that and collectively come together and heal is what makes these days so good. It's a big deal to step through the door and to feel safe. There have to be safe environment for you to be vulnerable to heal. So to create that space for people who have gone through this stuff is very special, and it's an honour to be part of stuff like this.
So she came up to just, I guess, offload and chat to me and things. And so I got to see, like, I guess you'd say, an unfortunate pinnacle of just how much trauma and stress can actually really, really affect you. My friend came up and...
trauma is when an event or an experience overwhelms the person's sense of safety. And that stays in the body. In fact, people think trauma is all in the head, but it's actually more in the body. The story of trauma is always in the body. So it's how the body tightens up, the muscles tighten up, the heart beats faster, how the digestive system works. So that's really the story of trauma. So it's an implicit story rather than an explicit story. So when people are triggered or reminded of trauma, it's always a sensory reminder. It might be a smell or a visual cue or a sound. But something triggers them and their body reacts first, long before their head reacts. And their body tenses up, or they feel really uncomfortable and feel their heart beating again. So that's what we call a trauma response. And obviously natural disasters and very significant trauma events like that leave a heightened sense of that trauma memory or that stuck sensory memory in the body. So my surprise today was that even though the bushfires were nearly 3 years ago, just how much I was aware of how tight I was when we were talking about it, and I could feel my muscles tightening up again, and I could just feel that smell, and it's still there. So that's the nature of trauma, is it doesn't really go away unless it has an opportunity to be processed in some way.
What we've learnt from the last 2 years is that, we need to come together and regroup and just love each other and heal.